Alright, today I just received this Tamiya Ford Aeromax semi-truck, 1/14 scale from my brother. Purchased this off of him. It's the first one of these kits that I've actually had my hands on. I'm about to open it up and unbox this. See what's all inside here. I'm kind of excited to see what we've got here. I know most of their kits are well packaged, well put together, very detailed. This should be no exception. Okay, now looks like you've got most of the body here, the plated parts and other parts trees, and your tires. First off here, looks like your floor pan inside the cab, your bumpers and side panels. Interior, your seats and dashboard, steering wheel. Looks like spindles, and your motor mounts and stuff. Now, here's the main cab. I mean, look at the size of this thing. It's almost as wide as a standard touring car. I mean, it's huge. You've got the roof there and side panels. You've got your molded clear parts, your lenses, and the turn signals, brake lights. And check these out. Here's the wheels, chrome plated. These look nice. Right here. This is the frame rails. Steel frame rails, left and right. Chrome plated parts, some diamond plate from behind the cab. Looks like your tail lights there, headlight buckets, chrome stacks. Pretty nice stuff there. More parts. Probably more chassis, suspension parts. Looks like a battery box there, battery tray. Smoked glass windows, smoked plastic, real nice. There's your gearbox and your gearbox right there, and your axle housings. It's kind of nice. You'll notice that the three-speed transmission on this. Here's your fuel tanks, which you'll notice these aren't necessarily visible on the truck because of the side panels there, but it's still nice to have the detail underneath. And in this box right here,
wheels.
got the tires. Looks like all 10 of them, I believe. How many? Or 8 or how many? Yeah, all 8. There. That's for the rear. And then you've got your 2 front tires. Your front wheels right here. Some more of your metal parts and hardware. These look like the shocks. These looks like aluminum shock bodies there. internal springs. These aren't, I don't believe these are the oil shocks, but they're still nice. Your 540 RS Mabuchi motor. Probably a 27 turn stock motor that they all come with. Axles and gears. All the bronze bushings, which I'm going to be changing out for bearings. Bearings aren't included, but it's a nice upgrade. More hardware. Excellent. Another hardware bag. Looks like your front axle. Again, front metal, solid beam axle there. Leaf spring suspension on this. Really nice. Comes with thread lock. Anytime you're going on, screws into the metal, of course you're going to want that. Okay, internal, gears. Another hardware bag. Okay, this looks like another hardware bag with your differentials, dog bones, your axle parts. Of course, your decals and manuals. These things are usually real nice, easy to follow instructions. Real nice manuals here. I gotta love these kits here. That's about it. I'm kind of excited to get this thing put together. No, I couldn't tell you how long it's gonna be before I get started. How long it's gonna take, but yeah, definitely do an update once this is running. Thanks for watching.